All right, quick video, very easy job here. If you've got a helmet or a kid's bike helmet that has detached the base from the kind of the aesthetic color design part, a very thin layer of plastic. Hopefully this video can help you out. We're going to get this fixed up. This has happened on another bike helmet of mine, and I kind of said, you know what, this is maybe a trend. So really simple fix. The first thing we're going to do is make sure it's clean, right? That manufacturer's adhesive has failed over the years, so it detached, which is why it probably popped out. And it's just glued on there, right? There's no, buttons or anything like that. It's just simple glue. So over time that fails. We're gonna get that cleaned out, especially if you've been rocking this thing for a while without. In other words, it's just been the base. It may have developed some grime and whatnot. So get out some soap and water, let that dry, clean it, let that dry really well, and then we're gonna apply some adhesive. Now, this is the stuff that I like to use for pretty much any type of project like this. It's an outdoor adhesive. It's got special bonding properties and whatnot. It's not super glue, so it won't instantly bond, but it does bond within 5 minutes or so. So you got to kind of move quickly, make sure you're in a ventilated area, and I'll put a link down below for this and anything that may help you with this project. So check that out in the description. But you can see I'm applying it, not even liberally, because it's such strong stuff. I don't anticipate this failing for quite some time. I keep the helmets in the garage, so they're subject to the high temperatures in the summer and the cold temperatures in the winter. And this stuff is designed for outdoor adhesive, including temperature variation. So this is what I prefer to use, and we're gonna put some on like that, and just make sure that the contact points are good, but make sure it's aligned the way you want it to is first. So you'll want to dry fit that before you apply the glue to make sure you know exactly how you're going to put it on. But there's generally only one way, but it could slip to the side, to the left or to the right, and you don't want it to bond in that way permanently, right? So make sure it's aligned. It's slippery for a couple of minutes, and then it'll start to bond and harden up. So that is how I fixed it. Really simple. Hopefully this has helped you out. Click that like button and subscribe to the channel for do-it-yourself solutions. Thanks.